Welcome to the first part of our introduction to the digital library, shortly the UCBib. In this video, we will show you how to borrow books that do not belong to the library stocks of the Trier University of Applied Sciences. That means that they do not belong to the library stocks of the environmental campus, Trier-Schneidershof or Ida Oberstein. Let's look at an example. Assume you want to study the book Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. Your research in the online catalogs of the Trier University of Applied Sciences failed. The book is not available in a printed or in an electronic form. What can you do in such a case? One possibility is to use the digital library. With its help and for a small rate, you can have the book delivered from another library to the library of the environmental campus and borrow it. To carry out an interlibrary loan, you need, on the one hand, the essential data of the book, namely author, title, if applicable edition, or year of publication. Alternatively, it is sufficient if you hold ready the ISBN, that means the International Standard Book Number of the book. Secondly, in the course of the ordering process, you need a transaction number, or shortly, a TAN. You can acquire the TAN at the information desk of the library or via an online form. The form is available at the library's website under the menu point Forms and Links. To get to the user interface of the digital library, visit the website of the library and choose the point Interlibrary Loan Digital Library under Borrow and Order. Then click on the icon of the UCBib and switch to the English version on the top at the left. Now, underneath First, you can choose the catalogs and databases in which you want to search for the book. For an interlibrary loan, by ticking German Library Catalogs Books, you can search in the libraries of all German library networks. If you want to expand your research, check the point International Library Catalogs, Books and Journals. Usually, however, it will be sufficient to search only Germany-wide. On the right, underneath Second, you can enter your search terms, either into the simple search line or into the advanced search mask, which can be called up via more search fields and provides you with the possibility to use key fields like author or ISBN. If you wish to increase the hit rate, raise the maximum search duration. Then submit your search. The hit list that you will get is grouped by networks. Look for a hit that does not contain the indication elektronische Ressource, which means electronic resource. In doing so, it is advisable to search for a hit in the North Rhine-Westphalia Union Catalog. Only if this network is not available, choose another one. In case you have found a matching hit, the details can be checked by a click on the title. If they correspond with your research, press How can I get it? Now the UCBib will check whether a book can be ordered via interlibrary loan. In case the book is available, two options will be offered. Either you order the complete book, or you order a photocopy of a section or a chapter. If you are interested in the whole book, choose the first option, press Order, and log in with your personal data. The data consists of your library number and your library PIN. After the login, the order form will open. There you can check the bibliographical data again and utter additional requests. For example, that you agree with other editions of the same book, or that you're willing to wait in case the book is already borrowed from the lending library and must be reserved. Enter your TAN at the bottom. Then submit your order. Now the book will be sent from the lending library, for instance, from the Düsseldorf University and State Library to the campus library. As soon as it has arrived, you will receive an email that it is deposited for you at the information desk. Provided that the incurred rate is settled, you can collect it personally or by proxy. Until then, use the tab Interlibrary Loan to check the current status of your order. To do so, click on Books under the menu point ILL Account. Finally, some additional information. It is not always possible to carry out an interlibrary loan. Excluded are basically books belonging to the stocks of the libraries of the Trier University of Applied Sciences, books in an electronic form, shortly e-books, books that can be bought for a small price via the book trade, as well as special media, for example folders, DIN standards, or university theses. The duration of the delivery depends on various factors. Be prepared that in the worst case, the delivery can last some weeks. Use the interlibrary loan service timely. Provided that a renewal is not ruled out by the lending library, you have the possibility to apply for a renewal of the loan period. To do so, send a short request to fernleihe@umwelt-campus.de 4 days before the end of regular loan period. The team of the library will check whether a renewal is possible or not and will notify you. To return the borrowed books, use the terminal in the 24/7 room of the campus library. Please leave the inserted receipt in the book. This concludes the first part of our introduction to the UCBib. In our second video, we will show you how to use the UCBib to order photocopies of journal articles. Thank you for your attention.